Chapter 9, Accounts of Companies, CA Inter. We are going to learn this chapter today. Here the some points which you need to know what we are going to learn in this chapter. So learning outcomes here is given in your book. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to know about the preparation and presentation of books of accounts, etc., to be kept by the company. What is how to prepare the books of accounts, how to maintain it. And the next point is know about the requirements as to preparation and filing of financial statement and the related matters. How to file the financial statement, what is the requirement of it. Know about the reopening and the revision of financial statement. You are going to learn reopening and revision of financial statement. Who can reopen the financial statement, who can revise the financial statement, who has the power to reopen the financial statement. So here we are going to learn it. Know about the constitution, working and power of National Financial Reporting Authority. Here we are going to learn some constitution which is related to NFRA, National Financial Reporting Authority, which has come into existence in 2018. Explain various concepts related to corporate social responsibility. You are also going to learn the CSR, which is corporate social responsibility. In short, it is known as CSR. So we are going to learn about CSR as well. Explain procedure related to internal audit of companies. Here we are going to learn the procedure and requirements of internal audit. Let us take an so here is a chapter overview. You can see what section you are going to learn. So accounts of companies take section 128 to 138, which is approx 11 sections here. So types of accounts, so here the section is bifurcated. Types of accounts to be maintained. So here we have two sections, section 128 and 129. Types of accounts to be maintained. Here are three types of accounts, which is books of accounts, relevant books and papers, financial statements. So all three are going to learn. We are going to learn reopening and recasting of accounts, section 130, which talks about reopening and recasting of accounts. Voluntary revision of accounts. You can whenever you can voluntary revise your accounts, which is section 131. NFRA and power of CG to prescribe accounting standards, which is section 132 to 133. Audit report and board reports, section 134. CSR, section 135. Rights of companies and filing of financial statement with registrar, says section 136 to 137. And internal audit, which is section 138. So here we took an overview about the chapter, what we are going to learn in this chapter. Thank you.